Are you deep down someone who fears success? Does the idea of prosperity make you uneasy? Do you secretly prefer the comfortable embrace of poverty? Well, my friend, you've come to exactly the right place. Today, we're going to take you on the foolproof path to poverty, a path successfully trodden by countless individuals for generations. We'll show you how, by adopting a few simple, almost intuitive habits, you can absolutely ensure your bank accounts always remain dry and your dreams never take flight. And yes, we'll also tell you exactly what to do if, by some mistake, the thought of becoming rich ever crosses your mind. So buckle up, because this masterclass in poverty is about to begin. Embrace spending, ditch saving. The first concrete step towards poverty is to completely abandon saving. Savings, that's a rich person's hobby, not for common folk like us. Whenever you get a bit of money in your hands, find a creative way to spend it immediately. That latest gadget you absolutely don't need? Sure. An expensive coffee every week? Why not? Impulse buying? That's the essence of life. Remember, every dollar saved is a potential enemy of poverty. So spend freely as if tomorrow will never come. And if anyone advises you to spend wisely or budget, just give them a winning smile and proceed to your next splurge. Befriend debt now. Let's move on to another powerful tool for poverty: embracing debt. Debt can become your most loyal companion, never failing to lead you towards financial ruin. Credit card companies are your friends, allowing you to spend far beyond your means. Home equity loans? Fantastic. Mortgage your property and spend on things that will depreciate over time. Personal loans? Absolutely. It's a great way to instantly fulfill any desire, even if you have to pay hefty interest. The more debt, the deeper your pit of poverty will be. So, don't hesitate. Jump into the swamp of debt and watch how quickly it pulls you down. Shun knowledge. Knowledge? That's just a burden, an unnecessary complication that can make your life more difficult. Why bother learning new things or improving your skills? Your current job, if you have one, will last forever and the world will never change, right? So stay away from books, ignore seminars, and avoid people who talk about learning something new. Instead, spend your precious time watching television, scrolling through social media, or just doing nothing. Stagnation is a highway to poverty, and ignorance is your most reliable vehicle on that highway. Avoid investing. Investing, that's a gamble, a dangerous game for the rich where you're sure to lose all your money. The stock market is a scary place. Mutual funds are too complicated to understand, and real estate requires too much money. Keep your hard-earned money safe under your mattress, or better yet, just spend it. At least you'll get something, even if it's momentary satisfaction. Investing is like sacrificing for the future, and we are people who live for today, right? So clear investment ideas from your mind and stick to that safe, bankruptcy-bound path we call instant gratification. Live without a plan, planning, budgeting, setting financial goals. That's all for people who have nothing better to do. Our lives should be spontaneous, unpredictable. Budgets tie you down, goals limit you, and planning prevents you from enjoying the present. Just wake up every day and see what happens. When you run out of money, don't worry. Something will work out, probably not. Financial responsibility is a myth, and those who care about it simply miss out on the thrill of life. So go with the flow, don't plan anything, and be ready to be surprised when you realize you have absolutely nothing left. Wait, does something feel off? Is there a little voice inside you saying that maybe poverty isn't as comfortable as we've painted it? Well, perhaps that voice is right. Now we're about to tell you a secret. This was all a trick. If you truly don't want to be poor, if there's a hidden desire in your heart to be rich, then you must do the exact opposite of all those foolish habits we just mentioned. Start saving. The first step out of poverty is to start saving. Regularly put aside a portion of your income, no matter how small. This is the foundation of your financial security, the cushion you can fall back on during tough times, and the seed that will grow your future tree of prosperity. Saving isn't just about accumulating money, it's about investing in your future, buying your freedom. Use debt wisely. Don't make debt your enemy, but use it as a tool, carefully and wisely. Only borrow for things that are truly necessary and appreciate in value over time, like a home or education. Use credit cards responsibly and always pay your bills on time. A good credit score opens doors to financial opportunities, while bad credit can trap you in a cycle of debt forever. Embrace continuous learning. Knowledge is power, and it's also financial power. Continuously learn new things, sharpen your skills, and expand your understanding. In today's rapidly changing world, staying stagnant is akin to falling behind. New skills can lead to better job opportunities, increase your income, and make you more financially secure. Never stop learning and always keep your mind open to new ideas and possibilities. Invest for your future. Investing isn't gambling, it's a way to secure your future. Start investing as early as you can, even if you begin with a small amount. Think long-term and consider various investment options. Don't panic when the market fluctuates. It's a long race, and patience is key. If you don't know where to start, consult a financial advisor who can help you make informed decisions. Plan your finances. Planning isn't foolish, it's responsible. Clearly define your financial goals, whether it's buying a house, paying off debt, or retiring early, and create a plan to achieve them. Create a budget and stick to it. Track your income and expenses and identify areas where you can cut back and save. A plan keeps you in control and helps you take proactive steps toward your financial future. Be patient and persistent. Becoming rich doesn't happen overnight. It requires time, effort, and perseverance. You may face setbacks along the way, but the important thing is not to give up. Learn from your mistakes, keep moving forward, and stay focused on your goals. Be patient, and eventually your hard work will pay off. Maintain a positive mindset and look for opportunities. Don't view failure as an end, but as an opportunity to learn and grow. Surround yourself with positive and successful people and learn from them. Networking is crucial. It can open new doors and provide you with valuable insights. Always look for ways to improve and be ready to take on new challenges. Ultimately, remember that true prosperity isn't just about accumulating money. It's about providing value. Whatever work you do, always strive for excellence and make a positive contribution to the lives of others. When you provide value, financial success naturally follows. So, my friend, the choice is yours. You can walk the easy, careless path of poverty, or you can choose the more challenging, but ultimately more rewarding road to prosperity. Poverty is not an accident. It's the result of poor habits and bad choices. Similarly, wealth is not a matter of luck. It's the result of deliberate effort, wise decisions, and disciplined action. Take charge of your financial future, make the right choices today, and take your first step toward becoming rich. Liked what you heard? Hit that like button. Your future self will thank you. Want more no-nonsense truth bombs? Smash that subscribe button. Know someone stuck in the poverty mindset? Share this video. Be their wake-up call. Together, let's build a tribe that chooses action over excuses. This isn't just a video, it's your turning point. So like, subscribe, share, and start rewriting your story today.